Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about 6 cases of the convex lens. 6 cases of the convex lens. Okay, let us see the first case. What is the first case? What happened when object placed at infinity? When object placed at infinity. Now see, this is the object. Which object it is? It is a candle. I am keeping this one at infinity position. See, when I kept object at infinity position, I will get the image at the focus. Now, anyone can please tell me what is the nature of the given image? Here, what is the nature? What? Real. And then what is the size of the image? Highly dimensioned. It means we will get very small image. Okay. Now we will move to the second case. What is the second case? Now I am keeping this object at beyond the center of curvature. See, here 2F and here 2F are also called as the center of curvatures. F and F are the forces. Now I am keeping this object at beyond the center of curvature. See, when I am keeping object at beyond the center of curvature, I will get the image where? Between the focus and center of curvature. And also we can find out the nature of the image. Yes or no? Here, this image we are getting bottom of the principal axis. So, it is a which image? Real or visual? A real image. Secondly, what is the size of the image compared to this object? It is magnified or dimensioned? Dimensioned. One more thing is, it is erect or visual? Erect or invert? Erect or invert? It is inverted image and dimensioned image as well as what? Real image. Now come to the third case. Now I am keeping this object at center of curvature. See, when I am keeping object at center of curvature, I will get the image at the same position at center of curvature. Okay, this image is also said to be real image. And what about size of the image? Same size or magnified or dimensioned? Same size. And real or visual? It is also real image. Which image? Yes. Okay. Next. Again, I am keeping this object between the center of curvature and focus. Center of curvature and focus. See. Banu, please come. By observing this picture, what is the position of the object? Between focus and center of curvature. Then observe what is the position of the image?
Beyond center of curvature.
As well as. Now tell me what is the nature of the image?
Real and inverted.
First of all, it is a real image and also inverted image. As well as what is the size of the image? Enlarged or magnified. Okay, thank you. Next, I am changing the position of the object from this place to at focus. Let us see what happens. If I am keeping object at focus, observe, I am unable to find out the image position. Why? Because, anybody? Gautam, come here. Take that mic. Tell me.
Sir, because it is formed at infinity.
Infinity. Okay. We can't justify the nature of the image. Okay. Because see here, we can observe all the rays after refraction, they are going parallel to each other. Okay. Thank you. Now I am changing the position of the object. See. Now I am keeping the object between focus and optic center or pole? Optic center. Okay. See. Now I am keeping object between the focus and optic center. Now who will tell the nature of the image? Chandni, come. The position of the object
Between focus and optic center.
between focus and optic center. Now, by seeing this picture, find out the nature of the image.
Visual
It is a
and
visual. How can you say this image is a visual image? Because it forms above the principal axis. That is the reason. And
erect,
erect means top, bottom. Next, enlarged or magnified. See here, this is the size of the real image, real object, but this is the size of the image. It's a enlarged image. Okay, thank you. Dot.